All right, folks, good morning. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office. We're looking at 5400 Montegut Drive in Pontchartrain Park. This is a walkthrough Wednesday, by the way. This is really a gorgeous house. We're on a corner lot, which is great. 50 by 100 lot. Here's our backyard. Might as well show that to you. And our off-street parking. This is offered at $195,000. It's an all brick home. It's been newly renovated. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It's been renovated to the studs, all the major systems, the roof, etc. Got 1,520 square feet. This kitchen is just awesome. I mean, really a well done kitchen. Great countertops. And at that $195,000 price point, you're really not finding much, and this is a great option. Here's our living room or dining room, but very stately with those tray ceilings. Of course, all this flooring is brand new. And then in here is our laundry room. When I opened that scared me. All right. So then a little sitting area off our kitchen just to accentuate how large our kitchen is. This could be our dining room. There's a lot of natural light in here. And then we come through to our living spaces. Bedroom number 1 and bathroom number 1. Here is probably our largest bedroom, which is really rather huge. I'll just walk through so you can see how large it is. And now our half bathroom. And then our last bedroom. So really an excellent opportunity at 5400 Montegut Drive. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter one, but 1,500 square feet, just about. I think it's important to mention as well that the flood insurance is very affordable on this property, $456 for the year. So again, this has been Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardner Realtors. We've been looking at 5400 Montegut Drive. And this has been this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. Thanks for watching.